Hello everyone, Mike here from Socialize. Today we're going to talk about social referrals. Social referrals is our new social media application that grows your business's bottom line through positive referrals, deal sharing, and viral messaging. Social referrals is a fun, easy to use, and very effective social media marketing tool. Once logged into the application, your customers and other local businesses' customers will have the opportunity to get your latest deal or promotion by sharing it virally with their social media friends and followers. No more just giving away discounts for nothing in return. Social referrals turns your discounts or deals into hundreds, even thousands of potential customers. Accessing the app is easy and can be done from any device by simply snapping a QR code or using a link. Once there, your customers just follow 2 easy steps. So they log in to the application by clicking on the deal that you're offering. So as you can see right now, we've got 2 deals going on, the Refer a Friend deal and the new deal, okay? So let's just do the new deal and get 25% off social media services. They click on the deal. Now, the next thing that would happen is they are going to log in with either Facebook or Twitter, okay? So let's just say we log in with Facebook. And once logged in, and the nice thing is typically they're already logged in because they are on their mobile device that they have already logged in with Facebook or Twitter. Okay, so the next thing they would do is like your business's Facebook page. Okay, if they had logged in with Twitter, they would follow your Twitter page. So they like the business. Now, the next thing we want them to do is share that deal. Okay, so when they click share, that's going to share your deal to their social media profile, in this case, Facebook. Now, below here, you see other local deals from customers that use the social referrals application. Now, they can see a preview of the deal that is going to be posted to their wall, so they know what's being posted, and it just makes them sometimes feel more comfortable knowing what's going to be out there. Okay, so they click share. Now, the first thing when they click share is that your deal is shared to their Facebook profile. Now, the next thing they can do is choose any other deals. So let's say I want to get 10% off my cleaning, and perhaps I would like 10% off my meal at Muscle Maker Grill. When I click share here, it's going to share those deals as well to your customer's social media profile. Okay, so this is the exit screen. Thank you very much. Now, there's 3 things that happened when I did that. The first thing would be that the deal was shared to your customer's Facebook timeline. As you can see, the app posted everything your customer's friends need to now get the deal your business is offering. I just saved 25% off social media services at Socialize LLC. Just click the link and get the coupon, or give them a call at your business's phone number. Then all we have to do is come right over here and click the link. They click on the link. It takes them now to what we call the social referrals landing page, where they can now get the deal. They can log in to get that deal. They can find and get directions to your business. They can also make an appointment or follow or like you on all of your different social media profiles. Okay, that's the landing page. The second thing that happens after they've shared that deal is that a message can be posted to your business's Facebook timeline. Okay, so just for instance, here's our social referrals page. So it also posted a message to our business's Facebook page. It pulls the customer's name, says what they received, also gives the link. Okay, this is an option. This does not have to go to your Facebook page. The third thing that happens is the customer that shared the deal will receive an email. So if I go in here and refresh, you can see I got the email, okay, from sharing that deal. This email, though, can be customized. We'll show you how to do that. And you can have a coupon on here. It could be just about your services, your latest deals, maybe promoting something that's going on. Those are the three things that happen when a customer logs into the application. All right. So now that we've seen that, let's go to the back end. And then the back end is where we can do all those other things like customizing the app, marketing to our customers. So let's log in. We will provide you with a username and password. You can change that password at any time. All right, so we go in. I'm already pre-populated. Click submit. And we will log in. Now, once logged in, you can do various different things. Okay, the first thing we're going to talk about is managing. So we can edit our profile if we prefer. Very straightforward. First name, last name. These little blue circles with question marks give you a little information about what that field next to it is referring to. Okay, so if you ever in doubt, just click on you don't even have to click on it, just hover over the little question mark. The next thing is your username and your email. If you need to change these, just let us know. We've used the email that we had on file for you and created a username. They can only be changed through us. The next thing would be your company name. We have that in there. If you would like to change that, no problem. The website and tablet URL. So a website URL is simply the URL that your landing page is on. Okay, so you basically what you can customize is the end part here. So our business is socialized. We have it socialized. Now, the tablet URL is actually what URL the app is on. So you can see socialreferrals.com. And if I were to exit, you'll see it'll go back to socialize. Okay. So they're the URLs, not real important. Okay. You could just pretty much leave them the way we have them. But if you'd like to change it, let us know. Just email us. Feed grabber script. The feed grabber script will display right here instead of the map a social media RSS feed. Basically, you can have your blog, your Facebook, your Twitter posts all display here, scroll, so your customers can go through and look at what's going on in your social media world. To do that, you just hover over here. It'll show you how to find that script and put it in there. If you do not do that, what will happen is then it defaults and puts a map here with the address that you have provided right here. Okay, so you see address, whatever address you put in is what will show up there. The business phone number, pretty straightforward. Your date of birth, not important. If you'd like to put it in, no problem. Now your Facebook page name, I Socialize, that's the actual end of the URL on your page. So you can see here, facebook.com/socialreferrals. That's not your personal profile, but your business page, your Facebook page where people can like it. Okay. Now we go back, your Facebook page ID, you just click over the little question mark. It'll show you the link to go to and find that. Very simple. The Twitter screen name, same thing, twitter.com/whatever your screen name is for your business. That's what you would put here. Now, your Google ID, same thing. Google.com/whatever your Google Plus business page ID number is. We've already put in all these things for you from what we had on file, but if you need to change them, this is where you would do it. Now, the color. As you can see, the color is actually what we have here. So this is your background color, this blue, and then the color around here, this is the what we call just color. Quite simple. Those colors also transfer over onto your social referrals application interface. Now, we can go in here and change the color. We could let's make it a nice teal. Okay. Let's make the background though black. Boom. And we click submit. Okay. Now let's go back here, refresh, and you'll see it has changed the colors to the new colors that we've chosen. All right. The same here. So it gives you a little customization, looks nice. All right, let's go back. Now that is managing your profile. Now let's go to slider. So again, a little more customization. The slider is what is going back and forth right here. This is your slider, okay? So you can change that as well. Very simple. If you want to add a new image or delete images, here's where you would delete old images. If you want to add one, you just go in here, choose a file, open. You can even put text across it. So let's say the greatest deal ever. Okay, we click submit. What happens now after we've clicked submit, we come over to here and we refresh. Now you'll see something here, okay? So we've got the slider. Now you see how the third slider is really big. You could leave them like that if you'd like, or you can edit them by going back to here, and then you just click view and crop, and you just click on it, and the actual slider size pops up. Scroll down to what you'd like, click save, and let's go back, refresh, and you'll see now your slider has resized. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That's your slider. So you do have some customization. Let's go to now deals. So remember those deals that we had here? Okay, right here, these are your different deals that you have going on at your business. You could set up as many deals as you would like and as little as you would like. Here is what we call the deal icon. Here is the deal title, the first line under your business's name. And here is the description of what is going on, the actual deal itself. We'll go back and show you now. Let's create a new deal. We click add new deal. We give it a title. Okay, let's call it Tuesday's deal. Okay. Now we can choose a percentage, a dollar, buy one, get one, others. Others, you can just put in any type of deal you want. So it was just get a free this, or enter to win. Anything that you want to have right there. Again, question marks tell you what is going on. We give it a value. Now, let's say 25%. You don't need to add the percentage sign. That will always automatically happen for you. Now, the product or service that you are listing, let's say it's 25% off viral posts. Okay. Now, the deal description, that is actually here, okay? So on your landing page, you'll have your description. You can make that a little more detailed so that your customers, friends, and followers, when they click on the link and are brought here to get the deal, they can just get a little better idea of what the deal is. Okay, so that's the deal description. Viral posts for a month, let's just say. Okay. Now, the deal image, that's that image here. That is also the image that will be posted to your customer's Facebook profile page. So typically you want to use something that has your business's logo, perhaps the deal itself, but definitely something that brands your business. So that way, when the message goes out there, they're constantly seeing your business's brand. Okay, so let's choose a file. Let's just say I'm going to have our young lady here go out. Now we can schedule these deals, give it a start date or an end date. So let's say I want to start at the 2nd and end at the 30th. So this deal will only run between those dates and automatically shut off. So you could actually schedule your whole year's worth of deals right here, and they'll go on and off when they're supposed to. So a deal icon, again, that was the little icon right here on the slider. Again, now remember, these deals are going to be showing up at other businesses' locations in your area that use our software. So typically you want to use a logo so that way your brand is identified. All right, so we're going to use our logo. You can upload your own logo and we'll automatically resize it. And we're going to click submit. So now we've got that new deal. That new deal now, once we've done that, will show up here. Okay, so you'll be able to see, there you go, Tuesday's deal, get 25% off viral posts. So if I were to click on that deal just to show you, okay, and I were to log in, Okay, so you can see now, would like to share with this deal with all 3 of my friends, and I'll receive 25% off viral posts. I click share. Now, I'm not going to share any other deals right now, just my businesses, so your customer always has the option to X out. All right, we go here, and let's just see. There it is. There's my new deal that I just created. I just saved 25% off viral posts at Socialize LLC. Now, remember, though, the deal before that we clicked and actually shared those other deals as well? Well, what happens is you'll see they started trickling in. So 7 minutes ago, Lido Cleaner's deal was posted to your customer's personal profile, okay? As well as Muscle Maker Grill. So we always post, though, your deal first, okay? And then what happens is the other deals that your customers share trickle in later, so that way their friends and followers aren't bombarded with deals just all at once, and your deal always sticks out and stands out first because it was posted first. Okay, let's go back now. So we've created the deal. If you want to delete deals, you can do that as well. You can also view the message that's going to be posted. So this shows the message that's going to be posted to the user's Facebook wall. Also, what would be posted to their Twitter wall if they logged in with Twitter. And what would be posted to your fan page wall if you chose that option. Now, speaking of posting to your fan page wall, let me just show you one thing real quick. If we go back right here, you remember where it says Facebook page name? And we have I Socialize. Okay, and the Facebook page ID down here. If you do not want that posting to your Facebook page ID, to your Facebook page, in here just enter in 0, okay? And that way it will not post to your Facebook page, and that's how you turn that off, just by putting in a 0 there. Let's go back. All right, so let's look at the reports now. Okay, we can look at the deal reports. So deal reports mean how many people have actually seen the deal, how many times it was shared. Okay, so we can see how many people viewed each one of those deals. And again, I only have 3 friends, so not pretty bad. Not bad for having only 3 friends. How many times the deal was shared. And if we click on details, we can see we actually get the user that shared the deal's email, their first name, last name, their phone number, when it was shared, what it was shared on, and how many friends that person had. Okay, so let's go back to the deals. We can then also search by keyword. So if you wanted to check a particular deal that you had going, you could go in there and sort by that. All right, and then you would just search the deal. The other report is user visits. You can just see the actual number of visits, meaning so how many times a person clicked on the link that was posted to your customer's Facebook wall or Twitter wall. So you can see 38 people actually clicked on the link in Facebook, 57 people clicked on the Twitter link, and other means the link that was sent in the email that was sent to them as well. Okay, so let's go back. That's the reporting. So it's a real nice way to keep on top of what's going on. Change password, obviously, change password. Now there's 3 other email functions here that we can go through. So a marketing email will be an email that you can create to send out to all of your customers now that you've got their email address. The other is the deal share email. That's the email that went out right away. So as soon as they shared that deal, they received an email. The feedback email is an email that can be set up to automatically go out at any time afterwards after someone shares a deal. Let's go real quick now to the deal share email. So in deal share email, you can go in here, you give it a subject, a from names. If you want to use your business name, that's fine. You can use your personal name. You can then put it from email and a reply to email. Okay, so you can also fully customize the email, as you can see right here. Make it, add images, add links, pictures, you name it. You can make it look beautiful. And once you click submit, that will then take that deal share email And every time someone shares a deal, they'll get that email. You can also use keys. So you could even put their first name in there by just copying this text right here and putting it wherever you want their first name in the email. The same with the last name and the deal title. Now, let's go and show you the feedback email. So the feedback email is, let's say you want an email to go out a week later after they've shared the deal. Same thing, you can go in here, write whatever you'd like, customize it the way you want. You give it a subject, obviously a name, the from and to. But the cool thing here is how many days you want it to go out. So we have it set to go 5 days after they've shared the deal, they'll get that feedback email. I like the feedback email just to say, again, reminding them, thanks again for choosing your business as their preferred vendor. Maybe even a follow-up saying, hey, come on in, we've got another deal going. And you can turn that feedback email on or off, okay? The last thing would be the marketing email. Now, the marketing email is an email now that you can just send out to all of your customers that now you have a database of literally all these customers that have used and shared your deal. So same basic principle, subject, all those other great things. You can also add an attachment. So if you want to add in a PDF or an image or anything that you want to send out, you can put an attachment as well. Now, what's really cool is that you can schedule. So let's just say every month we want an email to go out to our customers. We pick the date that we want to go out. We schedule the time. We would click save. And what will happen then is it will schedule that email to go out. You can check all of your customers that you want it to go out, or you can just select individual. You can also search. So let's just say you had a deal that went out for a particular month. You could just find people that actually used and responded to that deal, so you could send them a particular email. You can also filter by the type of social media. So you could send just Facebook people one type of email with perhaps a link to your Facebook page. You can also then send an email out to your Twitter customers as well. You can go through here. You can look at your scheduled emails. Now, we don't have any scheduled right now. You can look at drafts that you might have composed and want to go back to later, and you can look at the history of emails that you've sent out. Real nice. You can see the subject, the send date. But if you go in here and you actually click on the little icon here to the right, you can see if you'll see the individual emails who they went to. All right, and you can see the status, and you can see if there was an error. So you can see if they all were sent or if there are any errors. Now, that's the basic functions here of our software's back end. So that concludes our presentation. If you have any other questions or concerns, or just want to let us know how we're doing, shoot us an email or give us a call. We really appreciate your business. We hope that you'll find this tutorial very informative, and that using our Social Referrals application will turn your social media into a viral marketing machine. Thank you, and have a great day.